On May 29th, 2025, officers providing security during a high school graduation ceremony suddenly rushed into action after multiple teens began fighting in the middle of the crowded event. Bodycam footage captured officers shouting commands as several fights appeared to break out almost simultaneously, while families and graduates watched the chaos unfold around them. Within seconds, police moved directly into the crowd, attempting to stop the disturbance before more people became involved.
On the ground! On the ground!
As officers moved through the crowded graduation area, several students remained involved in a tense confrontation while police worked to separate different groups and restore order around the event. Bodycam footage captured officers giving repeated instructions as the situation became increasingly difficult to manage with large crowds gathering nearby. In the middle of the confusion, several individuals were temporarily detained while officers continued identifying those involved and speaking with witnesses who remained at the scene.
I can breathe, Tony. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
As the event wrapped up, officers stayed nearby while students, families, and staff gradually cleared the area following the interruption during the graduation ceremony. Bodycam footage showed police continuing to speak with attendees and helped things return to normal as the evening came to a close. The remainder of the response focused on gathering information and helping everyone leave the area safely.
2 detained, OC deployed. Give me EMS on parking lot.
Hey, can you wear my mask?
Get up. Get up. Your car open? Yeah.
Hey, come up. I got dirt in my eye.
No, you have OC in your eye because you didn't want to listen to me.
I can't hold it. I can't breathe. I got asthma.
The boy hit, the one that's running around with no t-shirt came my head. Everybody.
Asthma. I need help.
That's a shame.
Hey, take my asthma call. Oh, shit.
I just called water from that boy that no t-shirt came and bought
I need water.
It's a he hit my baby.
I need water.
My baby on the ground.
Back up now. What are you going to do?
Back up. Hey baby, that activated. Yeah, water gonna reactivate it. Lord Jesus.
You take the handcuffs off?
No.
I can feel better. You can hold me. You can put me out.
You wouldn't have got sprayed if you listened, my man.
My nose, bro. I got asthma.
Hey, let me lock your handcuffs.
All right.
Have a seat, bro.
Is he?
Get in the car.
Lock my handcuffs.
No, get in the car.
I can't breathe.
You're fine. Get in the
I got
car.
asthma, bro.
You're fine. Get in the car.
I got asthma, bro. You ready to wait on me?
Put him in my car. Hey,
Just leave me at the truck.
put him in my car if we have to. Here, put him in my car.
You got sprayed. Just excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, move. Listen, I'm gonna set you in the car. There's some AC in here. It should be a little better.
We'll get some for you. I appreciate it.
Hang on.
I got it. I need water. We'll get you some.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. You don't need to worry about your keys, man. Climb in. Climb all the way. Get away from the car.
25 feet. Keep
Let's
walking.
go.
You're going to jail too. 25 feet.
Keep walking.
25 feet. Oh no.
I got my dad.
Let me see the keys.
I can't open my eyes. I have water.
Where your keys at?
Back up.
25 feet.
Get in. Give me the keys so she can leave.
Grab me my pocket, fam. In the left one.
Hey.
Can you feel it?
Yeah, I got it.
You put my money back in my pocket.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Here. Where's she at? Here.
Is this a guy? Let me see.
Hey, somebody give me some water.
Before I've got unified command with some sort of 51.
Somebody give me water.
You got a glass of water? We don't have any water.
I need some to drink.
I'll be standing by with that officer until they get over here.
Somebody give me water.
That's not much. Here, I'm gonna pour it in your mouth.
Pour it in my face?
Yeah. All right, no. I'll pour it in your face or your
Yeah,
mouth?
my face first.
Hey, you need to blink, okay? You need to blink like you've never blinked before, or else it won't come out. Think of something sad, it'll make you cry.
Here, stand up, get out, stand up. Now hold your head up.
You gotta take me out of handcuffs right quick.
No, handcuffs
Tilt
ain't
your head
coming
up,
out.
man. You got it all over your face still, okay? You gotta open your eyes.
Blink.
Hey, Bree, hold on.
It's gonna get worse, we know. You gotta blink. We've
Blink
been
your
through
eyes.
this.
Okay.
After things settled down, officers remained around the graduation area while students and families slowly prepared to head home following the busy evening. Bodycam footage showed staff, emergency crews, and officers continuing to speak with attendees while helping people reconnect with friends and family near the exit areas. For the remainder of the night, police focused mainly on routine follow-up, answering questions from attendees, and helping the event wrap up smoothly as the crowd gradually dispersed.
Okay.
You got, I know you think you can, but you can. Come on. Open your eyes.
Wipe my eye.
Here, I'm gonna pour more.
Don't wipe it. It's
Hold
gonna
your
make
head
it
up.
worse. It'll rub it in. Yep. Just blink.
Hold on, I can't breathe. Bro, take me out of handcuffs.
No, handcuffs are- come on. You guys got a towel in the car or a shirt?
Hey. Bro, take me out of handcuffs.
The boys, they just tried to start the same thing yesterday. It's the same.
Bro, take me out of handcuffs, please.
Y'all go to the same school?
I can't breathe.
He here with me.
I can't breathe.
They don't go here.
Okay. Did he go to school?
Bro, I
Is
can't
it
breathe.
wet? Here.
Okay.
You put water on it.
I can't breathe. Wait a
Okay.
minute.
Deep, steady breath, okay?
There you go.
You'll be alright. It's all snotty. He's gonna be like that.
Any more water?
Hold on. Worst part is he's gonna take a shower in a few hours and he'll start right back up.
Hold on.
All
This one got pepper sprayed really good.
Okay.
Y'all got me?
I got you.
What's
your name, man?
Trey Nuski.
My name is Jose. I'm with the fire department,
Yes,
man.
sir.
I understand you're probably feeling a shit ton of burning. Are you feeling anything else right now?
I barely can breathe.
You barely can breathe?
Yeah,
all right.
sure.
Well, I'm going to have my partner check you out. My partner will, all right? Wipe your eyes now, okay?
All right, I appreciate you.
Yep.
I don't think I can open it. I'm gonna need a little more water.
It's going to be a while,
That's
man. You got
saline,
pepper
yeah.
spray, so...
Yeah.
It's gonna be burning. It
It's
could
going
be
to be burning
hours.
for a while.
Yeah.
There's nothing...
And when you get home tonight, take a shower or whenever, it's gonna reactivate.
All right. You put this on my neck. You put that. What you wipe on my
Oh,
face?
water?
Yeah, water or something on my neck.
How's that?
Feel better? Yeah, feel better.
I got you, buddy.
All right, let's go over here. Back to my car. I got you. Just walk. I got you.
You gonna put me in the car?
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in a car because fire rescue is still dealing with people that got injured. You're kind of gonna be last. So help me understand. So these kids just walked by you, they don't even know you, and said something. You all started fighting.
Yeah, something like that. I was waiting on my girlfriend, and then they just started fighting.
They just walked up to you and started fighting. I mean, what was said that made somebody so mad that you guys would fight since you don't know each other?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Because this has been going on. This wasn't the first fight from today.
Oh, it been a fight?
Yeah, before yours.
I ain't know nothing about it. I just got here like
Oh.
I came like 30 minutes ago.
So the first one might not be related to yours?
Yeah, I don't know who fought the first time.
Oh, because I know they made a couple arrests on that one too.
Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna be a fight. I was just coming to watch my family and my girlfriend.
Yeah. Well, I can tell you this: if somebody planned to have a fight at a graduation, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's stupid.
You just ruined a bunch of people's day.
Yeah.
So they all just rushed them. All the boys rushed them.
Is this the first fight?
And the boys are like 26, 27. They're just turning 18.
Okay. So they're not going to jail for this fight.
Okay.
It's going to be hard to
Or if I
identify.
try to get names or something.
It's going to be hard to identify.
As the evening came to a close, most guests gradually left the graduation venue, while officers stayed behind completing documentation related to the earlier disruption. Police continued, speaking with several attendees and staff members, while helping clear remaining groups from the area in a calm and controlled environment. The response eventually transitioned into routine follow-up procedures as the graduation event officially concluded for the night.
Anybody offer this?
Okay, especially since it's so crowded.
Are you able to send this to me?
Mm-hmm. Will they have a bond?
Yeah.
Like under $500.
Oh, good.
It's a misdemeanor to rob.
OMG. They've never been to jail before. Like,
He's been to jail before. I don't know about them.
I don't know who's back there. Like, them two never been to jail. We've been keeping them out of trouble. Does he have any AC back there?
Yeah, he's got the back AC and then the front AC is all max.
With you guys if they...
This guy is. I don't know.
Now they are.
I'm sure he is. I think
they are after they got sprayed.
And he said that both of the fights, they ran up on them. And it was apparently a bunch of them and only 2 or 3 of them.
So, it was chaos, right? These three were actually physically fighting. That's who I went to, right? Then I got surrounded. They were ignoring my commands, hence they got sprayed.
The boys are kicking them all in their head and everything.
The first fight? Yeah,
Yes.
I was late to that fight. I don't know.
What about the boys that did the jumping? Where are they?
We're looking for them, but we can't. They took off. Once we started getting in the area, everybody dispersed that first fight.
Oh my God.
There you go. Hey, just don't sit in each other's lap, okay? They frown upon that.